404 calories.
Actually these days, because I've been in this caloric deficit a lot, and also I think because my trainer put me on carb cycling, I'm feeling a little bit more lethargic. Yesterday I worked out my legs like really hard. My legs were literally shivering. Today shoulders and abs going good, not really great. Usually I don't take a power nap at this hour, almost 7:45 in the night, but I don't know, after that workout session I came back home. Today it was no field work. Basically there is no single day without going out of my house. Every day I go out, do some work. But today full day, almost till night, 7:45, 8 o'clock, I did not step out of the gate. And I think if I don't step out of the gate, I feel very lethargic. Abhi bahut ho gaya. I think I have to go out, otherwise I think I'll be sleeping all the time. Pura afternoon बैठ के I was doing some accounting work, which is very boring, and I did some emails and all that stuff almost like continuously for 4 hours, which is the most irritating thing to do. Anyways, it's time now. Let's get up. What's up guys? कैसे हो? I hope everyone is doing great. Let's head out. I want to take out the street twin and go out. Every time I take out the street twin, I say this. It's been really long since I've taken the bike out, but actually I say this dialogue even for the Tiger, right? But the main purpose I brought this street twin is to take it out every single day. Like I wanted to use it like a daily commuter. That's not happening because at the same time I got the new car as well, and I wanted to drive the car more because most of the time when I go out, you guys know that I'm doing a lot of trips recently, almost 10-15 days I'm out. So whenever I come back home, I wanted to drive the car. But chalo koi nahi, abhi let's go. Abhi 8 o'clock, let's have dinner and take out the street twin, go for a night ride. Maybe I'll meet a couple of friends, I'm not sure. You see, this is what I like about vlogging. If I don't vlog, that day is like very lazy for me. I have to hold this camera, start talking to it so that it keeps me on my toes. Let's go, see you on the bike.
Alright, time is 8:31. Really feels so good to go for these night rides. I used to do this a lot before. These days I got so busy that I stopped doing all this, and after this car came, I'm enjoying this car a lot. But the problem is, I'm not able to enjoy the street twin, and now I miss it. I don't even feel like I got this bike. So today, no excuses. I thought, definitely let's hit the roads. Let's take the street twin out, feel it a little bit. And after the first service, this is the first time I'm taking it out. How many kilometers ho gaya? 917 kilometers done in 4 months almost. And now the bike looks very clean because after the service I didn't take it out. Let me wear my HD glasses and let's get out, baby. Now, a lot of people have a doubt about these HD glares. A lot of people think that this is some special glasses that are helpful in the night. No, nothing. They're just my side specs. So they're properly warmed up. And actually, after the service, I did not tell you how the bike rides. Right after the first service, how it feels. Reason being, actually, I vlogged that day, but the stupid GoPro, I don't even know if it's working now. I just hit record, I'm going. I'm just hoping it is recording. That day also I recorded everything, but audio didn't get captured. I got the video, but somehow I don't know why audio didn't get captured. So my review after the first service, basically I don't feel anything much. It's pretty much the same new bike, except that I just feel that the bike is a little bit more smooth. That's maybe because to do with the oil filter that has been changed, and also the oil. And in case you guys didn't see my video where I spoke about the bill, I was charged somewhere around 9,000 rupees. No, 8,000 rupees. That includes oil change, oil filter change, general services around 2,000, that is periodic maintenance 2,500, and 1,000 rupees for consumables. Consumables include chain loop, cleaning, washing, shampooing, all that. And you know the best part now is we can rip the bike a little bit, not like too much, but at least soda sa. Now we can cross 80 kilometers an hour. I don't know where I'm gonna do that in the city, but yeah, we can rip the bike a little bit. I can be a little bit easy on the throttle now. Not easy, but I can be a little bit harsh on the throttle. At least I can take that out of my mind that it's a new bike. First service, now you know, after your first service, that doesn't mean that you have to rip open the bike too much. You still need to be careful. Up to almost 2,000 kilometers, you have to be taking care of the engine rev. But yeah, nothing wrong in revving the bike a little bit. Oh, I never throttled the bike this much. Oh my god, it's got some insane power. Oh, by the way, I call my friends. See, this is the lucky thing. If you have like 10 friends, like 10 proper close friends, someone or the other will be in a mood to meet. I think Chaitanya and Charan and maybe Edwin are gonna meet. That's nice, yeah. This guy gave me a side with this kick horn. And oh yes, 95% next big trip by road is next bike trip is definitely gonna be on the street twin. I'll try my best to take it, but it should be a trip where we just go for a day and come back, maybe 2 days max, because luggage and all, I mean, you can do it. There are people who do like proper long rides. Even my friends did it on classics. Only thing is, when you get used to something, like I got used to my Tiger with panniers and all that, only then you'll have problem. You're used to too much of comfort. Oh man, it's like, okay, now I'm throttling it out like properly and I can majorly see the difference. I've never throttled it so much. I mean, I'm not like ripping it out, but whoops. Very good. I'm definitely gonna have fun on the highway. Only thing is short blast, because you don't have a proper windshield and all. I know you get a small windshield, but that doesn't work properly. It's just for styling. It's not proper functional. Adventure tourer is a bada windshield hai, so there is no problem with wind blast. Nice. Okay. Even if you have a very powerful car, you need to wait for that turbo kick, right? You know, bikes like these, especially classics, Triumph classics, they have torque all the time. No need of a turbocharger. Man, the sound is, oh god. Seriously? Now I'm enjoying the bike properly. Like, I never enjoyed this bike so much in the last 4 months. Don't talk about it. Hardly 920 kilometers you've done, Sriman. Beautiful. And full Bagake, I had full fun today on the street way. Because first service is over. Charan gave me full rides that I can rip open the bike.
It's open this?
A little bit, but I had fun. Oh, it is nice. Like, the sound is so lovely.
This bike you'll enjoy more around 80 to 100 than above 100. First time never?
I did not cross 100. 80 to 100, but I never crossed 80 all these days, so I didn't know how it performed. And more than that, I did not give proper throttle all these days. Now I throttled it out, I can hear that dop.
So you're okay to now for idli dosa, rava dosa,
Oh
right?
yes, I'm set. All set. Idli dosa. This is kind of that only. Night idli dosa. Posh idli dosa. By the way, Charan's bike is also here. His
Yes.
BMW had
BB. My BB.
BB and
Bavarian Beast.
Bhimavaram Beast.
Bavarian.
His Bhimavaram Beast is
దాంట్లో
here.
పేరు మార్చేద్దాం అనుకుంటున్నా ఫీనిక్స్
ఫీనిక్సా? అది హీరో ఉన్న షోరూమ్ ఉందిరా ఉప్పల్లో.
పర్లేదురా
నా కరిజ్మా అక్కడే ఉన్నా. వాడి పేగసూస్ నువ్వు ఫీనిక్స్కి ఏంట్రా మంచి నాలా ఫ్యాన్సీ డార్క్ హార్స్ ఇండియా ఫేమస్ అయింది అది. ఫీనిక్స్ ఫినైల్లా ఉంది. ఓకే, యాక్చువల్లీ హిస్ బైక్ హ్యాడ్ అ రేడియేటర్ ఇష్యూ.
ఫీనిక్స్
You remember, right?
యాషెస్
ఫీనిక్స్ ఇట్ రోజ్ ఫ్రమ్ ద యాషెస్ అంట.
పడిపోయి లేచిన బండి
చాలా సార్లు పడ్డది.
యాక్చువల్గా పడిపోయినాడు వస్తున్నాడు
ఓ వాడు పడ్డం కాదురా, వాడు క్రాష్ అయ్యాడు.
వాడు గ్లైడ్ అయ్యాడు
నా కళ్ళ ముందు మామూలుగా పడలే. ఇన్ కేస్ యూ గైస్ హ్యావ్ సీన్ వన్ ఆఫ్ మై వీడియోస్ వేర్ చరణ్ వాజ్ సిట్టింగ్ డౌన్ ఆన్ ద ఫ్లోర్ అండ్ ఫీలింగ్ ఆయిల్. ఏ వీడియో రాదు ఇన్ కేరళ. సో దాట్ దేర్ వాజ్ అ క్రాక్ ఇన్ ది రేడియేటర్.
There is a leak in the radiator, some manufacturing defect.
Manufacturing defect by BMW, German engineering. Shouldn't be like that.
Exact cause not known, but definitely something is wrong.
Something is wrong in the design. So, oh, Chaitanya is coming. What's up, undercover Chaitanya? తగ్గాయో మళ్ళీ వీటిని కలిసినప్పుడల్లో ఇంచు తగ్గుతుంటావా?
శ్రీమాన్ గాడు ఏసీలు ఫ్రిడ్జ్లు స్మగ్లర్ లాగా ఉన్నట్రా ఇప్పుడైతే.
That is because of the jacket.
అరే ప్లీజ్ వద్దురా
పట్టుకో అరే పట్టుకున్నావా
బటన్స్ పెట్టుకున్న పూజ
కెమెరా పట్టుకున్నావు మరి ఆ చేయి
స్టిచ్
బట్టలు తిప్పుతాడు బట్టలతో పాటు బట్టలు కూడా ఇస్తారు మన
బట్టలు ఉడిపాలా వద్దులే ఇంకా ఆ కంటెంట్కి రాలే మనం న్యూ ఇంట్రో చైతన్య gave us. What's up apps, कैसे हो? Hope all the 6 are doing great.
అయిపోతున్నాయి
So the thing is, we have a pulsar in the group now. This is the intro we are giving.
ఆల్వేస్ హ్యాడ్ అ పల్సర్ ఇన్ ద గ్రూప్
Hey,
We've had couple of pulsars.
Your old pulsar.
నీకుండే నా పల్సర్
But I learned pulsar.
in the group yes
I learnt on pulsar.
Previously, I don't know if you guys know this, but there was a group, Pulsars group and Charisma group. You know, that time. Pulsars were all under one class.
Charisma
Charismas
was
were all under one class.
Charisma was a rich all 1 lakh bike
I think pulsar and CBZ, right? Not even charisma. Charisma was on its own.
My bike was around 85,000 on road.
yeah Charisma was 1 lakh bro
No, when I got it, the R version was 85,000.
R version
దానికి అమ్మ ఓ ఇస్తున్నారా బండి అన్నారు ఇంట్లో.
నాది కూడా అంతేరా
మీ ఫస్ట్ బైక్ కాస్ట్ ఎంత?
No, okay, wait. When did you buy it?
2007-8 I forget
Oh, same. అప్పుడు పల్సర్ అంత లేదే.
అప్పుడు Charisma was 1 lakh I remember
That
on
was-
road Charisma was 1 lakh
నాది 85 రా నేను కొన్నా నాకు గుర్తు.
సరే, that was your first bike.
proper bike.
yes
80,000. మీ ఫస్ట్ బైక్ కాస్ట్ ఎంత?
86
My first bike was Passion Plus. No,
Cost.
Passion, only Passion.
కాస్ట్
75,000 something. 68,000.
Mine was
నా
TVS.
ఫస్ట్ బైక్ కాస్ట్ చెప్పు.
What is the first
Guess
bike?
what?
Your first bike would be a Royal Enfield 500. I know.
డబల్.
it was free money from stocks
Dipping into the savings, huh?
అండ్ ఇంకోటి ఏం తెలుసా, అది ఇంకా నా పేరు మీదే ఉంది.
See, this is one thing you need to change that because you know the guy you sold to, if he's not a good guy, if he crashes it somewhere, it
I
comes
know,
on you.
but what can I do? I threatened him
At
yesterday.
least tell that you sold it. Proof ఉంటుంది మనకి.
I sold it on paper. I have the proof that he signed. But he's not transferring. ఇంకో 4
Yeah,
years
you
అయితే
have
బండి
to
registration
transfer.
cancel
You
అయిపోతుంది.
have to transfer. Do that first in case you guys sold your bike.
11 years
Transfer it to his name. His
Like
name
that?
అంటే అమ్మేనోడికి. Actually, thing is, Chaitanya has his old Pulsar. He's gonna get it restored. He doesn't know where it is, but finally, out of love, he tracked it down. Now he knows where it is. So we're planning to restore it.
నేను అనుకున్నా,
Chaitanya
but
has.
అన్నిట్లో ఇట్లా వేర్ సేమ్ ఉంటావు కొంచెం యూనిక్ గా ఉంటుంది డిఫరెంట్ గా
వాడు
ప్రతి
కాదు.
దాంట్లో ఐ ఆల్సో వాస్ పల్సర్ ఐ లర్న్ ఆన్ పల్సర్ ఎందుకురా ఇట్ ఇస్ అబౌట్ మీ మై స్టోరీ
Nowadays, Chaitanya is in a lot of frustration.
Very,
You know,
HPS వాళ్ళు
all the
అందరూ
people
ఇంతేనా?
who are in frustration, I think COVID ఉంటుంది. So we know where the bike is, we tracked it down, we're gonna go get it and we're gonna restore it. Are you gonna keep it inside your house like an art piece or are you gonna ride it?
అది కూడా టార్పలిన్ కవర్ కింద ఉంటుందేమో.
మళ్ళీ
టార్పలిన్ కవర్ కింద ఉంటుందేమో అది కూడా.
ఫస్ట్ ఐల్ ర్యాప్ ఇట్
with a tarpaulin cover, blue color.
నో నో ఐల్ రైడ్ ఇట్ వై నాట్ ఆఫ్ కోర్స్
Oh, you're gonna have some nice vlogs then.
ఐ టేక్ మను ఆన్ ఇట్
అంటే
You've seen the bike? You've seen the bike?
ఐ హావ్ ఎ పిక్చర్ ఆఫ్ ఇట్
No. Oh, show me. You send it, I'll put a screenshot. But Chaitanya thinks that there is an issue with the sump plate. I'm not sure. Once we get it, we need to analyze it. We need to give it to a dealer. I think you'll get all the parts for it. No problem.
There you can see it shows 78 kilometers left. That is the range to empty. The Street Twin after the first service is giving me very good mileage, I think. I don't know, is it giving good mileage after the first service or maybe it used to give me before as well. I didn't observe it before. Today I finished around 35 kilometers round trip, almost 40 kilometers. The range when I started from here, it showed me 100 kilometers. Now it shows 79 kilometers, 78. Though I went for 40 kilometers, only 20 kilometers have been consumed. That's like pretty good mileage, right? I don't know exactly how much for a liter, but you can do the calculations. Usually Street Twin gives you somewhere around, if you ride it like very smoothly, you get at least 26 to 28 kilometers for a liter. So I think I'm getting that much. In some instances, my friend got more than 30 kilometers, 33. Too good to be true for a 900cc bike, but yeah, when you ride it practically, you'll understand. Chalo then, I hope you guys have enjoyed this vlog. In case you did, you guys know what to do. Hit the like button, do share, do comment, do subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next vlog. And oh yes, that motion sensor is really helpful because whenever I move, I get lighter.